Hello and welcome to this Decicity Seller's Guide to Uploading Product Images. Firstly, click the image window. This will be for your product's main image. Then click Upload Image. From here you can select or drag your images or a folder with your images to be uploaded. Once uploaded, select the image you want to use as your product's main image. Then if you have additional images, click Select Multiple Additional Images. As with uploading your main image, click Upload, then click Upload Files and select all the images you want to add to the product. Once the upload is completed, click Select Files and it will add all the images you just uploaded to your product as additional images. Our Image Manager also has some features built in to get your images just as you want them. For example, you can resize and rotate your images by clicking Resize and Rotate. Here you can resize, crop and rotate your images. Lastly, you can keep your Image Manager tidy by being able to copy, cut and paste your images between folders, and you have the ability to rename or duplicate your files. Thank you for watching this Decicity Seller's Guide.